Hey guys, Marissa with Lingual Abilities here. Today we are talking about the 5 types of people that I think will most easily transition into telepractice. Now, that's not to say that if you are not one of these people that telepractice isn't for you, but I have noticed that a lot of the people that are drawn to telepractice and seem to succeed in it happen to be these types of people. So our first one, parents. If you are a parent of a child, especially a younger kid or a baby, this is a really good position that you might be able to get into. It has that flexibility where if you want to spend time with your kids in the afternoons or in the mornings, or perhaps there's a given day that you know soccer is crazy, you can schedule your work around that. So that's really nice. Another type of group that's really good, of course, are techies. So the people that are really good with computer technology are going to very easily transition into using their clinical skills into the telepractice environment. So if you excel at using, Skype or video conferencing with your friends already, you've got a leg up. If you're really good at figuring out how to do video games and things, you've got a leg up as well. So definitely consider that if you like tech. The next group of people you might not think about as being someone in the market, but retirees. So this is somebody who has finished their career doing therapy or some sort of clinical aspect teaching and has decided, you know what, I want to supplement my income as a retiree with a little bit of work on the side. These people are actually great. They're looking to learn something new. They might be looking for that part-time work that's really flexible. And so they're ready to learn. They're ready to access this new technology and help kids in a new way. So that's a great group. On the opposite end of the spectrum, we also have new Cs, or anybody who's just finished their externship or internship year, whatever it might be for your profession. These people are going to have a good solid foundation of what's important for the actual clinical aspect and then be ready to add on to that what we're going to do for telepractice. So that's a great group too. And they're eager to learn and ready to go. So that's nice. Last group is definitely me, night owls. If you are looking for that flexible schedule where you can use the time zones to your advantage. For example, I live on the East Coast. I often get students who are on the West Coast or in mountain time. And so I'm able to move that 2 to 3 hours back where I don't start my day until like 10 or 11 instead of having to start it at 7, 8, or 9, something like that. If you're the other way though too, if you're an early bird and you're on the West Coast, you can use that to your advantage where your students wouldn't be up yet. Or your students are up later for them. And so it would be earlier for you if you want to start your day a little bit earlier, even at 6 in the morning, it's 9 o'clock for them. So definitely use that to your advantage. So those are the 5 types of people that I think would most easily transition into telepractice, but that's not to say that you couldn't if you are not one of those groups. Hit me up. Let's talk about it. See what sort of challenges you're experiencing as you're thinking about getting into tele and what can we do to help that. All right. I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.